Hey guys, welcome back to Little Scientist. Today we're going to be doing another experiment called Galaxy Explosion. Let's get started. So the first step for your Galaxy Explosion, you're going to need some whole milk with a lot of fat. Pour that into your bowl. Okay, and after that, you're going to grab some food coloring and put it on the top of your milk. Do not mix it in. You're just going to leave it sit. Put as many drops, as many different colors as you would like. Okay, so you can also add some glitter. I'm adding blue glitter to get that galaxy theme because the glitter will represent the stars. So then after that, you're going to grab some paper towels. So you're going to grab your dish soap and put some on your paper towel. Then after, place it into your milk. And then it will start scattering everywhere. You can grab a toothpick or something and start dragging the glitter around and start making kind of like art with it. Then after, you can see that it kind of turned pinkish with bluish and purplish. That's what I was going for, to have like a galaxy. So I hope you guys had fun doing this galaxy explosion with me, and it's pretty cool, and it's a fun experiment to do, to like play around with glitter and colors and to see what colors you make it with the milk. The dish soap tends to break down the fat, so then when it starts breaking down the milk, the food coloring goes like on a roller coaster and starts moving everywhere, where it's like getting broken down. So that's why the food coloring moves and swirls everywhere. So I hope you guys had fun, and see you till next time. Bye!